getting really bad, and so I was like, I'm just going to take that here. And so they kind of laughed at me because they're like, they told me that it was food allergies, and I was like, yeah. And they're like, just think about this for a minute. They said, you don't go to Taco Bell, eat a taco, and you're allergic to it, you get hives, you don't go into a seizure. And I said, I guess I didn't think of it that way. And they're like, they obviously didn't know what was going on, so they just told you what you wanted to hear. And he goes, well, what did they put him on? And I said, well, they didn't put him on anything. And the guy was just dumbfounded. He was like, your dog was having seizures and they didn't put him on any medicine. And I said, yeah. So they set him up on phenobarb like they had Monty on. But this is a liquid instead of a pill, so it'd be easier to get to him. And ever since he started the phenobarb, he hasn't had.
There he goes. Go, Duke, go.
So yeah, we're pretty impressed with the vet down here.
Oh no, you're gonna spill over.
Gotta come back now, Duke.
Yeah. Well, see, that's what Socks was.
Hey, Duke.
Socks was only having them like every 3 months or so. But then when he started having them, it started working.
Hey, buddy. What's going on?
And so I was like,
Say hi to everyone.
we need to do something about this.
Hey, Duke. Whoa. Hello, buddy.
He is. He's yelling and screaming. Just a minute. You can hear. Oh, he heard your voice and he stopped and just stared at the
Hey, Duke. Show him all your teeth.
Oh God.
I don't think they could do without him, and I also don't think that's legal.